How to log into Hudson Bay Mastercard. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily log into your Hudson Bay's Mastercard account. For that, you first have to open up your web browser, click on the search bar at the top, and here you can just search for Hudson Bay Mastercard, log in, hit enter. Now you'll find the Hudson Bay's Mastercard provided by Neo Financial. Just open this link up. And once you're on this page, you can just go ahead and log into your account. Now just go ahead and enter your email address here and your password for your Neo's account. And once you log into it, you will find a list of your credit cards along with your Hudson-based MasterCard there as well. You can just tap on it to activate and you should be good to go. That's about it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.